Okay, we're gonna review this car fragrance diffuser. This is unique. I know a lot of times people put like, you know, things where they hang in where they can smell better in the car. This particular one is an actual diffuser. So you're gonna see here, it comes with the fragrance. It's a fragrance bottle. I'll put that down here in the cup holder for just a moment because that's actually where it's gonna go. Come with the diffuser itself, comes with a lithium battery in it. You simply push the power button, we'll show you that, how that goes on. It comes wrapped up here nicely to keep it clean. I'm gonna pull that film off here for you. Sorry, my hands are probably in the way, there we go. So you can see how clean and nice that looks. Okay, put that right there. Also comes with a charger, because that is there's a battery in there, but there's a charger, USB to USB-C charger. Comes with some instructions, and it comes with two other things. I'll get these out real quick as they come out. So this is what's going to go inside the fragrance. It's a fragrance, like it absorbs the fragrance. And this right here, you put at the bottom, it's got a sticky thing on it. So if you want to put it down in your cup holder so it doesn't move, you can do that. This simply slides up inside of there, like that. You long press this button here, and the diffuser comes on, which you can't, hopefully you can see the purple on there. So the lights are on, so you can see the purple, so you know that that's on and it's working. There's a little purple line under there as well. And this where you hold it there, and it goes off. So we're gonna take the top off. This is the one it comes with is it's actually quite a nice fresh scent to it. I believe this is meant to last 6 months. This bottle's not meant to last 6 months. So be careful not to tip it over because that is an oil. You don't want to get the oil in your cars. Slide that on there. Spin it on the such. Like this. There we go. I'm gonna hold this on, turn it on. There we go. Another cool feature about this is it has an AI feature to it, is what they said, that it recognizes when your car is in motion or when somebody's in the car when they're not. So if you get out of the car after 3 minutes, it will actually turn off by itself. I can already smell that coming through. So if you're looking for a unique air diffuser with a nice scent to bring a new nice scent into your car, it automatically turns on and off when you're out of the car. This could be a great option for you.